Like many of you, I'm just really happy. I'm not gonna get tired of this crypto breaking news because they're the bedrock of our rallies in crypto, and they really keep us level headed where we're gonna be. We're inevitable, everybody. And I got Ripple, Binance, MasterCard, Bitcoin, and it all started with Jerome Powell specifically speaking about crypto yesterday, that it really elevated and gave us this massive rally, and Bitcoin is still holding. There's a lot going on. Let me keep you updated with everything you need to know. Don't go anywhere, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button so more people see this, learn, and they have a good idea, right? That not only is the price, it's all the players that are investing and coming in. There's more billion level companies coming into the space, opening up ETFs. Just think about how many companies in the last week are now opening ETFs. BlackRock, and we have Grayscale, and we have like three more. Guys, institutional money is coming in. That's what you're seeing a lot. And we are not in the bull market. Yeah, still got the morning voice, but it's worth it. Okay, Ripple getting a license payment service in Singapore. As Brad, Ripple CEO, saying, as a major global financial center, Singapore led the way in taking a pragmatic, innovation-first approach in crypto. We're incredibly proud that Ripple is one of the handful of companies to receive in principle approval from an MAS MPI license, similar to the one Crypto.com has. So I'm used to what he's saying, for digital payment token services, right? So I've said, well done, Ripple, right? It's just amazing, right, to see a company with a massive community, tight community, seeing this and expanding for payment token services, right? We know XRP really is the key, fast. So well done, great job, Brad. Obviously, you're gonna be beating the SEC here pretty soon in the United States, and now expanding. And this is one of many, right? One of many. We have Binance. Guess what? Sometimes, right in the last 2 weeks or so, we've seen Binance closing its doors because they've been losing licenses, right? Canada, and we have other different countries. Netherlands, there you go, the Dutch market. There's so many countries in my head. Well, here, Binance launches a regulated digital asset platform in Kazakhstan with local banking support. Great. Good news, Binance. Well done. Right? We need this. Obviously, it's all about that banking support because crypto exchanges really have a very difficult time. And I've seen it many times, everybody, when your banking partner is closing your doors. And that's exactly what was going on with Binance.us, right? The banking partners to Binance.us, because of the lawsuit, were saying, no, we're not going to be working with you anymore. The Binance.us basically did not lose that lawsuit, right? And they parted ways, the SEC and Binance.us. Good, basically Binance winning. So very important to have a little bit of a context, right, when it comes to going to different places and doing business for crypto users. Then we have Valkyrie Company, which manages roughly 80 billion in assets, has applied for a Bitcoin ETF. You might look at it as just 80 billion. It's not even close to the 20 trillion of BlackRock. It's not much, but it's still $80 billion, guys. And it is awesome, right? To see, like I was saying, I mean, we have the Citadel, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab new centralized exchange already up. I believe so. I haven't looked into that much, but I'm sure that there's a lot of people coming in and buying Bitcoin. Basically, that helps the price where it is right now. And I'm gonna get to the price in just a second, but it's good, man. And most of them are saying bullish, right? It's basically more information, but that is nice. Then this is really the main story that broke all charts yesterday when Jerome Powell was speaking, right, in Congress. And it's basically, what is it? Crypto appears to have staying power as an asset class. What it means, guys, is that at least we're hearing from someone leading a major, institution in the United States, speaking something that is not bearish against crypto. It gives a possibility that lawmakers and Congress can listen to that and promote legislation, creating something maybe different for crypto because it's not the same as a typical security stock market asset class, right? As we're seeing, Gary Gensler from the from the SEC oftentimes cannot even describe what Ethereum is, cannot say yes or no if it's a security. Therefore, when the head of the Federal Reserve is speaking out on this, I think it really created a massive momentum of people saying, well, then let's go ahead and buy because Jerome Powell not only is going to be, well, he already said he's going to be hiking federal fund rate once again, twice this year. But we know that as inflation cools down, as core inflation from 5.3% drops to less than 5, there's a chance that cuts could come, in a year or so from now, like he said last week. Everything is right here, just dropping and unloading with you, fam, all the goodies. MasterCard focuses its Engage program on crypto. Now, MasterCard, I have a MasterCard card. It's obviously like Visa, extremely important companies. MasterCard has expanded its program, which links potential card users with partners that can provide appropriate technical expertise to bring crypto to market, allowing growing cohort of crypto firms to leverage the crypto credit giants global network, according to the press release. So you're going to use MasterCard's giant global network. And if you meet certain criteria to continue and operate in this Engage program on crypto, then guess what? You might have an access to millions of users. And in that case, your company can be really successful if the crypto companies are ready for it, right? So I think it's amazing. MasterCard also named a cohort of crypto payment firms joining the Engage program. The list firms include all of this, right? So they already have some, potential firms that could come and provide, amazing services in crypto to all people interested. So what I'm saying is just get ready for a lot of adoption, guys. This is exactly what we need. And it's really with great excitement to tell you that Bitcoin is still at $30,000 for a day plus. We still have to revisit this the entire week, and as we head and continue holding our Bitcoins. But this is amazing, guys. It's still at $30,000, exactly what we need. So altcoins, right? Starting with Ethereum at $1,900, it was yesterday, almost $2,000. It hasn't been $2,000 in a while, and I'm going to show you right here, right? Right about here at $2,000, not $2,000, right about here. That was May, at the beginning of May. So about 2 months or so. So just to let you know, guys, that it's good. And greed, like I said at the very beginning, from fear last week back to greed, just because of everything that's coming up. I will put it in one word: institutional. Institutional. It's that institutional money that is now flowing into the crypto space that is allowing us to have amazing results. Just imagine when instead of a bear market price, we launch it to bull market price with more institutional money, because retail money, it's hurting, right? We're buying, we're DCAing, we still don't have so much money, we're getting some more money. But the people with the big bucks, with the billions of dollars, they're finally realizing the crypto is the way to go. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. You've been updated. Like and subscribe, and well, let's get excited. Kudos Binance, kudos Ripple, kudos MasterCard. Let's go. Peace.